These fools are popping exhaust now. Stopped as soon as I turned my phone on, but they were like that with exhaust. So I guess they're not happy, right? Well, I know they're not happy. I know they're not happy with my videos, especially the one this morning. I think that's really pissed them off. Sorry, girls, but you know, that's how it goes. Fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. It's quiet as a mouse now. Oh no, thought I heard it then. There you go. Faint. Not. There you go. See? That's what they've been doing. This is how they retaliate, and the police don't do shit to stop it. The police let them do this. This isn't Matlock, United Kingdom, Derbyshire. The police just let them get away with this, these informers. They let them get away with this. Let them do this all night, sometimes to 2 in the morning. This is what they're doing. Right? They'll do this till 2 in the morning, sometimes 3 or 4, usually 2. This revving, popping exhaust, and they just let them do it. Of course, the emergency services here are all involved. The police, the ambulance service especially, and the fire service especially here. So, you know, this is what they like to do. Playing their little games. And their stupid little gimmicks.